Located in the West African country of Ghana, the Ewe people live together with the rest of Ghana's diverse, ever-welcoming tribes. The country's most easterly region, the Volta region, is home to the Ewes, or Evau as they proudly call themselves. Welcome to Ewenigba. The Eweland is blessed with breathtaking topography and people groups that are absolutely phenomenal. Come along as we discover Ewenigba. There are three major dialect groups who inhabit the Volta region of Ghana, each adapting to their surroundings and with subcultures that are a delight to explore. We begin from the coastal belts where we meet the Anglo people. The Anglo are popular and have contributed immensely to the Ewe culture and Ghana. If you're Ewe and have been asked, you know what I'm referring to. They predominantly engage in fishing and trading and are known for such delectable meals as akpla and fetridechi, akpla and abobitadi. Keta is home to abobi, popularly known as Keta schoolboys. When it comes to culture, the ever-rhythmic agbaja is the most popular of the Anglo dances. There are others like achaboko, hustago, and many more. These dances come to life in full display at the Hubochocho festival and other gatherings. Now back to our map, another Ewe group found in the southwestern Volta is the Tong. Tong is derived from two Ewe words, to, meaning river or lake, and ngu, which means beside or around, etc. It is a description of where the Tong people settled along the Volta River. Some popular Tong towns include Sogakope, Bato, Avaduma, and Afife. The vegetation here lends itself to rice cultivation and animal husbandry, especially cattle rearing. Fishing is also a major economic activity of those who live near the Volta River. They fish so much, they also settle in the communities of the Adan people with whom they share many similarities. Let's take one more look at the map for the third major group called Avaduma. They occupy the hinterlands of the Volta region. Notable places include Peki, Bando, Hohwe, and Ho. Ho is the capital of the Ho municipality and of the Volta region. Being forested and mountainous, the Avaduma people are mostly crop farmers. They rear animals as well, but mostly for subsistence and petty trading. In the markets, crops and game are the items that feature the most. They grow crops like cassava, plantains, bananas, maize, yam, etc. Due to the abundance of yam and the important role it plays in both their diet and economy, many communities in these parts celebrate the Tedudu or Yam festival. During such festivals and other occasions, the Adewu and the scintillating Bobobo dance feature. Having explored each of these dialectal groups, I would like to reiterate that each one is an umbrella group with several differences in intonation, vocabulary, and usage right from the shores to the heights of the Efaja mountain. Classical Ewe is what is written and ties all these groups together, as it is not any one particular dialect, even though the base dialect used is Anglo. I hope you enjoyed this ride discovering the peoples of the Eweland. Please like, share, and smash the subscribe button. If you have not watched the previous episode, please check it out and see how this journey began. Watch out for our next episode where we will showcase some prominent Ewe people and their contributions to our great motherland, Ghana. Mauna Noin Kulimi.